DJI is back, and this time, they're not just competing with GoPro. They're rewriting the rules. The brand new DJI Osmo Action 6 has finally surfaced, and if the leaks are true, this tiny powerhouse could be the most advanced action camera we've ever seen. We're talking about a 1-inch stacked sensor, 6K 60 frames per second recording, and DJI's most powerful AI stabilization system yet, all packed into a body that's lighter, stronger, and smarter than anything before it. From Hasselblad color science to next-gen Rocksteady 4.0, the Osmo Action 6 is built to dominate every environment. Underwater, on the slopes, or in the desert. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know before buying. The design, performance, new features, pricing, and why this could finally be the camera that takes down GoPro once and for all. Because make no mistake, DJI isn't just launching another action camera. They're redefining the future of adventure filmmaking. The action camera world is about to be shaken once again, because DJI is back with what could be its most powerful and refined compact camera yet. Meet the DJI Osmo Action 6, the long-awaited successor to the Action 4, and a device that's already creating a storm among creators, vloggers, and adventurers alike. From leaks, insider info, and early prototype testing, it's clear. This isn't just another yearly refresh. This is a massive leap forward. The DJI Osmo Action 6 has been built from the ground up to dominate GoPro, redefine stabilization, and push the limits of what's possible in an action cam. Whether you're shooting underwater, biking down a mountain, or filming cinematic travel vlogs, the Osmo Action 6 promises to deliver clarity, power, and creative freedom that no compact camera has achieved before. So before you even think of buying it, here's everything you need to know about the DJI Osmo Action 6, from its specs and features to its design, video performance, battery life, AI tools, pricing, and why it might just be the best action camera of 2025. Let's start with design, because DJI didn't just tweak the look, they completely redefined it. The Osmo Action 6 introduces a new magnesium alloy frame that's not only stronger and more durable than before, but also lighter by almost 15%. The compact body feels solid yet sleek, with improved heat dissipation built right into the shell. DJI claims the new thermodynamic design keeps the camera cooler even during 4K or 8K recording, allowing creators to film for longer without worrying about thermal shutdowns. The camera's buttons are also slightly larger and more tactile, a small but crucial upgrade for people who record while wearing gloves or in wet conditions. One of the biggest external changes is the dual touchscreen setup. DJI has upgraded both the front and rear displays. The rear screen now measures 2.1 inches with improved brightness and touch response, while the front screen features a 1.6-inch micro-OLED panel with higher contrast and smoother refresh rates. This makes vlogging, framing, and selfie shooting much easier, even in direct sunlight. The bezels are thinner, and the UI has been completely overhauled with smoother transitions and new gesture controls. When it comes to image quality, the DJI Osmo Action 6 takes things to an entirely new level. It's rumored to feature a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, a major jump from the 1/1.3-inch sensor on the Action 4. This new sensor, paired with the DJI Cine Core 3.0 processing engine, promises significantly improved dynamic range, richer colors,